The revolver for home defense. Is it good enough? Is it capable? Will it get the job done? In my opinion, absolutely. And here are some reasons why you might choose it over a semi-automatic. It's a much more reliable and easier type of gun to use. With all the beginners or new gun owners or first-time buyers looking for a gun, choosing a revolver for your first or your only is good enough in my opinion. One, it's very easy to use. It only requires opening the cylinder with a release, closing it, and it's ready to go. A much heavier trigger pull, which allows less of a chance of an accidental discharge. You don't have to worry about racking it. You don't have to worry about one in the chamber. You don't have to worry about, is the magazine full? You don't have to worry about jamming. You don't have to worry about double feeds. You don't have to worry about really anything. Just loading it and it ready to shoot. I'll put these real rounds away and work with these demo rounds to show you that revolvers are just as capable. You could still load them quick if you ever need more than the 5, 6, or 7 rounds. However, in my opinion, and if you look at the data, most home defense situations do not go past a few rounds. You don't need 18 shots to scare the bad guy away. Typically a few will get the job done. If you happen to be in a situation where you unload all your rounds and the bad guy's still standing, reloading is fairly quick if you have one of these quick loaders or speed loaders. You just dump, and then if you need more, you could use one of these loading strips, which you could pop in 2 at a time. Yes, it is slower than a magazine on a semi-auto. However, like I initially said, most likely, in my opinion, the need to ever go past the first cylinder full of ammo is highly unlikely in a home defense situation. But again, if you feel like you need more, you could always back it up with these speed loaders. Other reasons why you might want to consider a revolver for your first gun or your only gun or your home defense gun is they're cheaper in most cases. This one was about $350. It shoots a 38 special, which is comparable to a 9mm. It will get the job done if you use hollow points. Even non-hollow points will probably get the job done. And they're really simple to use. Again, there's nothing to them. You just pop this open, put your rounds in, close it, and it's ready to fire. It's got single action, double action, and you could just keep it loaded by your bedside or in a quick access safe or wherever you decide to keep yours. And you can quickly get access to it and defend your home if needed. Hopefully that situation will never arise and you never need to use it in that kind of situation. But if you ever do, it's as easy as pick it up and go. No more thinking about slides, chambers, magazines, jams, any of that stuff. Just pick it up and it's ready to go. I hope this video helps you make a decision on choosing a revolver as your home defense weapon.